What's up, you guys? Out of here, Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you how to make the graphics better when you're playing COD Mobile. Okay, so depending on the phone you're currently using, you might not be able to put it up to the highest graphics, but in order to even change it to make it a little bit better, you just have to go into the settings, audio and graphics, and you'll see a few different options here at the bottom. Now, some phones might let you, put it on the higher graphics, but it could cause some lag, so it really just depends. Now, I'm obviously using the iPhone 11, so it's going to have no issues, putting it on, whatever the max is. But like I said, some phones, if you're using something maybe that's a little bit cheaper, you might not be able to do that. But anyways, also going to be doing some controller gameplay here with the Mobicon. I'll have links in both the description and comments if you want to check this controller out. The thing is awesome. I do want to get into a match, and I've kept it on the shotgun, so I'm going to do a shotgun only match here, and we'll see, what happens. Also, please smash that like button as we're getting into this, and this is actually a pretty good level for the shotgun because you can kind of get in like close corridors and corners and stuff to try and pick people off, so this should be pretty fun. Now, let's do this.
We've taken the lead. We lost the lead. We tied for the lead. We've taken the lead. It's too close. Fight harder. We've taken the lead.
Alright, well, I got a kill there, but then I went in like the back of their base. I feel like these guys are kind of hiding a little bit. Oh man, that guy was just chilling right there. I mean, we gotta do a little bit better here.
Tied for the lead.
Oh, yes, yes.
We've taken the lead.
Oh my god, 4 kills in a row right there. That was freaking awesome.
Standing by.
Alright, like I said, using the shotgun does have its benefits. 1 kills, when you got that, when you're getting that kill. God, that was crazy, man. It looks like they got a sniper up there or something.
UAV online. Killer drone on standby. Reloading. Hunter killer drone deployed. Friendly predator missile inbound.
Ooh, almost got killed there. Alright, so it's 28-16. Just trying to keep my kill-death ratio okay.
Target's inside! I'm hurt!
It's kind of weird nobody wants to come to this side right now. I'm just like posted up.
Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted. UAV is
Come on, man. Alright, that was kind of BS. It's kind of what I get, though, for going in their backyard.
UAV online. Friendly hunter killer drone deployed. UAV online. Hostile care package inbound.
Dude, I had that guy, man. I can't believe they didn't give me the kill. Shot him like 3 times. Alright, anyways, it looks like we're going to get the win on this, so I'm not like too worried about it, but I was trying to do a little bit better than I am right now. I mean, how many times I gotta shoot somebody? Jesus. Oh man, that was frustrating. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up there though, guys. We're gonna totally win this match. But anyways, just smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see you in the next one.